as the last rays of sun fell asleep on the fields of the place where I run, and I saw you. You stood over a man who was all tied up as he begged for forgiveness. Could he drink from your cup? 'Cause he loved you. I crept slowly through the trees. I saw him get down on his knees for you, and you screamed in delight. Is it true? Is this just village life? Well, he came to a head like an old spent cask, and you undid his knots and you took off your mask. Then you saw me. Well, I last seen your face in the three blackbirds when you served me my pint, but you didn't say a word, though we both knew. I see that twinkle in your eye. Well, maybe I shouldn't be surprised by you and the things you did that night. Is it true? And I just don't know what it's like. Well, you screamed in delight. Is it true? Is this just village life?